I was able to generate over 6 figures of income last year just by posting content part-time. Now, the best part about this, I didn't have to do any viral dancing TikTok videos. I'm not some tech-savvy 19-year-old that's living in my mom's basement. No disrespect towards 19-year-olds living in their mom's basement, but I'm in my 30s. I'm a full-time business owner of 17 years, father, and husband. So I don't have time to spend all day on social media. Now, I was able to do this by utilizing 2 different principles: content monetization and selling my own digital products. Now, in this video, I'm not only going to tell you exactly what I did, but I'm going to show you how to do it for yourself. So make sure you watch the rest of the video. This is the breakthrough that you have been waiting for. Now, most people that you see posting on how to grow on YouTube, how to make money online, I see that they fall in one of 2 different categories: creators or platforms that are built specifically about how to grow on this, how to grow on that. And there's nothing with how to grow on YouTube channels or how to grow on social media. But the problem is when you have someone that has a channel specifically built on how to grow or how to do this or that, but they've actually never done it for themselves, you get a lot of regurgitated advice. And here's a really easy way to break down what I'm saying. Let's say you want to write a best-selling book, and you go to a bookstore and you look for a book that says how to write a best-selling book. That book is probably going to be pretty famous. It's going to have good reviews, and it's going to be in a topic that a lot of people are looking for. But the person who wrote the book might not necessarily know how to write a best-selling book, but they know how to write a book that's titled How to Sell the Best-Selling Book, and they give you principles or things that are regurgitated over and over in the industry, right? Online, I see a lot of the same things. Or I see creators that have never really done the thing, and they're trying to tell you how to do it by regurgitating other people's advice, by copy and pasting their videos, but they don't really have any social proof. And that's why you hear the same thing over and over and over again. Go viral, go viral, see what's working, copy it, and pull it in your niche. Go viral. And I'm not against going viral, but I didn't build 6 figures of income by going viral. I did it by doing the opposite of what everyone else was doing. I focused on my audience, didn't obsess over the algorithm, and I wanted to serve my audience at the highest level. And recently, there's a shift that happened that made this more possible than ever. See, back in 2020, TikTok had an interest-based algorithm. It would show your videos to people that watched your types of content and adjacent types of content. And every other platform followed suit, because right now in 2026, every platform is this way. Social media is technically dead, but interest media is where it's at now. And I don't see this changing, because all of the algorithms are trying to keep you on platform for the longest amount of time possible. So they're going to show the viewers what it thinks that they want to watch, and it has over 10,000 touch points. So if you can get really clear on who you're trying to reach, serve them at the highest level, don't focus on going viral, but focus on building authority and focus on giving value to your audience, that is the key to winning. Now, on top of that, something else has happened that has made this easier than ever. And it's really the reason that I have been able to do this, which is a smartphone, no crew, no team, and doing it all on my own. Now, full disclaimer, when I first started, I went all in. I was spending 20 or 30 hours every single week, and I originally spent over $25,000 in a short amount of time on courses, consults, and coaching programs. I was able to do that because I've been a successful business owner for 17 years, but not everyone has that luxury. But truthfully, a lot of what I learned, I don't even use, because a lot of things that I bought and paid for threw information at me, which information is everywhere, but they really didn't throw implementation and show me how to do this practically. And that's what I want to talk to you about, because I use AI to replace people, right, and build employees for what I want to do. And AI is a great tool, but here's where AI has fallen short, and it's actually really great for everyday people that want to do this with minimal hours. Authenticity is the new thing that people want, because I don't know about you, but I have seen so many videos, and the comments are loaded with people saying, is this real? Is this AI? Man, AI is getting really good, or I don't think this is real. It's getting harder to differentiate what's real and what's not real. So the way that you can do this and the way that you can provide value is really going to fall in 2 categories. Number one, Be the expert telling your audience how you did the thing that they want. And when I say expert, I don't mean that you know everything and you're not continuing to learn, because I believe we should all be students on purpose, continue to be students. But if you are 1 to 2 steps ahead, at least, of the people that you're trying to teach, you're an expert because you have proof that you got the thing that they want. So do the thing and then talk about the thing that you did. Or if you haven't done the thing yet, but you're really passionate about the thing, build in public. Share your journey, share your wins, share your losses, and say, hey, I haven't done this thing. I've made a little bit of progress, or here's what I love. I'm on a journey to master this thing and I'm going to do it. Share them with you. Basically, it's where I'm at now. If I would have started this channel back when I first started creating content. So instead of saying, I have gained nearly 1 million followers and subscribers and made $100,000 in a single year just by posting content and selling my own digital products part-time, I could have said, I'm going to start creating content. I'm going to try and get 1 million followers or 500,000 followers, and I'm going to try and make 6 figures of revenue. If I would have had the camera with me. And truthfully, I think that building in public is a little bit better than trying to be the expert, because anybody could say they're the expert and they could say they have proof. But when you're showing the building in public and showing them along the journey, it's kind of hard to knock that, because you're saying, here's the good, the bad, the ugly. And hey, I'm fighting this out and I'm doing this. So with that being said, I have to switch hands because my hand's getting tired. I do have a guide that I built along the way to help you. You can get it in the description below. It's going to tell you the step-by-step of what to do along the journey. It's going to help you to bypass a lot of waste of time. And truthfully, if I would have had this when I started, I would be where I'm at now in less than half the time, because a lot of the things I put on there and lessons I put are mistakes that I made. And it's a lot of me telling you what not to do, something I'm really good at because I've screwed up so much. Now, with that being said, content monetization is a great thing, and I primarily earn the majority of my revenue through Facebook. But selling your own digital products around a pain and a need or a desire for your audience is going to be the other way that you can own your audience. And the way to do that is by building your email list. Now, nothing is going to matter if you don't pick up the camera and get a strategy. So like I said, quit trying to go viral to drive traffic, because I have had videos take off and go viral by hopping on a trend and even bringing it my niche, but it did nothing for my business. It did nothing for my sales, because a lot of times to go viral, I had to do the thing that wasn't even about the thing that I'm trying to do to get views. And views don't matter as much anymore. So get crystal clear on who your content is for, how you can serve them at the highest level, build credibility with your content and trust, and then you can build your audience and serve them for free by proving to them that you can help them. And then you can start monetizing your audience by going the next step, the next level, and getting paid by them to serve them at a higher level. Love God, love people, serve people. If God has given something inside of you that you know you're supposed to do with this life, and you know that you were supposed to do, and you're tired of just the mediocrity lifestyle, but you do have obligations, so you have to keep the job, you have to do the thing to make the money, build this on the side and focus on serving the people that God has called you to serve at the highest level. And truly, your life will change. And I'm not saying that to be a motivational speaker. I'm saying that because it changed my life. And if you want to learn more about that, YouTube is suggesting another video for you. Do you want to watch it? If so, click this and I'll see you over there.